Combining legendary Yamaha sound with a powerful onboard amplifier and speaker system, the PSR EW400 is your gateway to immense musical potential. Its extended 76-note keyboard will immediately feel comfortable to both pianists and keyboard players alike. Yamaha digital keyboards are renowned for their sound quality and highly realistic voices. The PSR EW400's outstanding live grand piano complements the 76-note keyboard perfectly. There are more than 750 voices, together with 220 backing styles, covering a huge range of music, from the classical era to today's hits. For the beginner, the built-in lesson functions and informative display help to develop fundamental keyboard skills. You can access onboard resources like chord dictionary and music database, store setup data with registration memory, and record a complete performance with the 6-track sequencer. The DJ pattern feature includes program chord progressions, which add a whole new dynamic to keyboard playing. Together with the assignable live controllers and arpeggiator, it's easy to create unique dance grooves in real time. Advanced digital effects add a studio-like production quality, while the 12-watt per channel stereo amplifier and speaker system with bass reflex ports delivers a powerful sound. There's also a line output for easy connection to an external sound system. You can add an external audio source to the performance and use the melody suppressor to virtually reduce the lead part in a suitable audio track. With USB, you can store your performance data on a memory stick and easily connect to computers and other devices. The PSR EW400 also transmits and receives audio via the USB to host port, enabling digital sound recording on an external device or output of a USB audio source from the keyboard speaker system. To extend your musical horizons, check out the PSR EW400 from Yamaha.